Hey everybody, welcome back, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to add welcome bot to Discord server. So what we need to do is first we need to head over to a server of our choice. Let's just say this is the server. Now we need to click on this little drop down option and then head over to our server settings. Once we are there, you can see we got a lot of stuff going on. So what we need to do here is we need to head over to the app directory. Could be found under apps section. Once you're there, head over to your search bar on the top right side and search for Dino. So this is a server management tool that makes it really easy to manage like welcome messages and such settings inside our server. So click onto that and click on this add app option, and you can see we need to visit site for this. So this is how the site looks. We need to click on, so scroll down and you need to simply choose a server. So you can see on the platform it is basically now authorized. Now we need to choose a server. Let's just say this is the server. Click on continue, and these are the different kind of permissions that we need. Click on authorize, and now it is going to be added. Let's just hold on. You can see it is now connecting to Dino. You can see we can simply return to our browser now, and it is asking for prefix. You can see for Dino to know a message is command, you must start a message with following character. You can see a question mark. So let's just type in here hello, and you can see we have a time zone. You can choose the specific time zone, so we can choose the channel update. Let's just say we have this one and click on next. Now we can even close it and get premium stuff like that. So now it is added onto our Discord. We can close it, and if you head over to your Discord, you will be able to see that it is now added over here. You can enter in here hello, and now still you might not be able to see the welcome message, and that is because you need to head over to your Dino browser server and then head over to modules and search in here for welcome. Once you do, make sure that this is enabled. In the settings you choose the specific channel on which you want it to be applied, and then it will be adding a custom message. You can add in here anything that you like and click on update, and once anyone joins he will get this message.